Hello everybody, welcome back. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can use Hopper app for hotels, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply start our video. For that purpose, what you can do is, first of all, let's go ahead, open our Hopper app. Make sure you are logged in your app as well. Allow the permissions. Once the app is open, it's gonna look like this, right? What you can do is, you can see above, you can see many options given, including the hotels. Go ahead, tap on that, and you can go ahead, tap on this edit where you can see adults or children. You can go ahead, choose the number of people as well. Once you're done, you can go ahead, tap on this where to stay. So for let's go ahead, add a random location for now. Once we're done adding that, we can go ahead, choose. You can see this three colors, it represents the amount. The darker and the brighter color represents the more amount for a day. You can go ahead, choose a particular date. For example, if it's this one, let's go ahead, choose that date. Right, when you're done choosing a date, go ahead, tap on this choose dates option, and this will basically load and show you the options for you. So you can go ahead, tap on any of the options given, and this will show you this freeze, price, or view rooms option. If you tap on this view rooms option, you will be able to find this kind of interface which will show you the pictures of the rooms that's available in that particular hotel, and this will show you the amounts as well. So you can see this refunded by Hopper. You can simply make sure to check that, and then you can go ahead, tap on this continue option, and then you will go ahead, get logged in, enter your payment methods, and you're good to go. You will be able to use a Hopper for hotels, or you can book a room in the hotel on the Hopper app. So yes guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.